Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, I haven't recorded a video in quite a long time. In today's video, I'm gonna be uploading my first Roblox video, and I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure, and I'm gonna show you guys a dupe glitch. So let's get started. First of all, find something you wanna dupe. So I'm just gonna do like a thruster, and make sure that thing is on so you can instantly place it. So first of all, you want to place the thing that you want to do. So I'm just going to place as many as you want, and then you place as many blocks as you can everywhere. Just come on. If you already know because don't do this then. It's just normal. You want to, okay, I don't know if that's it. And then I'm just gonna save this. You wanna save it, and then you wanna load it in, but you wanna go back and wait. Oh crap! Oh, I didn't wait. You wanna get at the thing that you do and be like, oh crap! I think I need to add more blocks. Yeah, you wanna add a lot of blocks. So I'm just gonna yada. You wanna add like more than like 200 or 100 blocks. This can work on PC, mobile, pretty much anything. So now let me save it. Now I go on the thruster. Now I load it in. Oh crap! Okay, I messed it up. Load it in. Come on. And then you want to quickly place. I need to add like a lot more blocks. Yeah. Because you want to make it hard to load in so you can instantly spam it. I just found it out today. I didn't search it up. Like when I was building my boat, I realized like while I was loading it in, I spammed the thrusters button and it duplicated somehow. Wait, okay, I think this is enough. So I'm just gonna save. Now I go into my thrusters. I press load. Oh, that was close. Oh, you have to wait. See, everything takes like a minute to load. So I don't know why it's not working. Because here, I duped this. I duped that. I duped like a lot of those. Wait, I'm just gonna put this in again. See? You can pretty much dupe it, but I don't know why. Which let me get. I'm just gonna save it. I'm just gonna make a new one. So clear all. So as I was saying, just make it a name for it. And just add thrusters where you like it, and just like spam blocks everywhere. It works, trust me. Just did it. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Turn off those notifications. Yeah. So I'm just gonna quickly do this. I'm gonna quickly dribble click. Oh, I can barely hit it. Like I'm not really dribble clicking. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm gonna save it. Save it. Now I go back to the thruster that I wanted to dupe. Now I load it in. See, it just duped. It duped. Look, I had like 5, right? 1, 2. Look, there's no one there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, -2. Okay, now you want to save it again. Okay, now you want to load it in quickly again. Now look, this is -4. Now I'm gonna save it. Come on, dupe it again. Look, I'm duping it. I'm literally duping it, guys. I'm just gonna do this a couple more times. So do. See, look, -8. It's duping. It's literally duping. You guys can do this as many. You can only use once. You don't have to only use one. Look, I made more dupes. This is a dupe. This is a dupe. Okay, what? Yeah, it takes a while to load. This is a dupe. If you want to dupe more of that, you know what to do. Just use the same one. See? You can look. Oh, my game crashed because of how laggy it was. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna do it again. I'm not gonna do it again. Okay. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, or you'll get eaten by bear. I'll do another glitch. Show you guys another glitch next video. Bye. Yeah.